Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 95 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 笔记 note 桌子 desk table 椅子 chair 说话 speak 听见 hear 歌曲 song 跟上 keep up with 快点 be quick 慢点 slow down. Now follow me to learn 好吃美食中餐 in Chinese characters. 好吃好吃 means delicious. 好吃 I like it because it's delicious. 我喜欢它，因为它很好吃。好 A girl and a boy. 吃口 You eat with your mouth. 吃好吃 delicious. 女子口好吃 delicious 好吃 delicious. Next one 美食 美食 means yummy food. 美食美食 means food. 美食食 food. 美食 Okay, next one 中餐 知 ong 中吃安餐中餐 Oh,中餐 means Chinese food. 中国 China 中餐 lunch dinner. 中餐中餐 好吃好吃好吃 delicious 美食美食美食 yummy food 中餐中餐中餐 Chinese food. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.